Hi, yesterday, okay, we can see the SQL database creation, okay, how it will be created, okay, databases. Okay, now we will discuss about, so we can launch the browser, SQL Server Management Studio 21 is recently, okay, the file, this download new version will be recently launched. So after launching the application, it shows like this, my server name is this, so I will connect this, okay, I will connect this server. Okay, here I will write the new query. So you will check my database. Okay, so it is running like this. After running like this, see here there are here four types of databases are there: master, model, MHDB, tempdb. Okay, these are four types of default browsers. Okay, there are four types of default databases. By default four databases are available in the Microsoft SQL. What are they? MSDB, okay, and a master, next model, tempdb. Okay, now I can create my new database, that is Purna. Okay. So first of all, SQL Server Management Studio. So what is database? Database is a, okay, see here, database is a software that designed used to retrieve and manage the data. Okay. So example, MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, MS SQL Server, and PostgreSQL, and IBM D2, DB2, okay, etc. So what is database allows user to create their own database. Okay, database is used to store the data, update the data, maintain the data, delete the data, and insert the data. Okay, these all components are work here under the database. Okay, so see here, there are new versions are there. MS SQL 2022, actually we can run it on 21 version now. So SQL Server 21, this is the 21 version. Okay, this is the 21 version. So here there are four types. Okay, there are four types of, see here, SQL is divided into following types. What is the structured query language? Like it is a data definition language commands, and a data manipulation language commands, and a transaction control language commands, and after that transaction control, okay, data control language commands. There are four types. Okay, so see here, there are overall 32,767 databases are created on a server. Okay, in a single server, we can create on 32,767 databases. Okay, in that there are 1024 columns we can create per table. In each table, we can create 1024 columns. Okay, this is the permission node. It is a maximum limit. Okay, it is a maximum limit. And after that, see here, what is the how we can create the database. Okay, syntax, create database name. So I can create my database is Purna. Okay, so see here, by default it shows master database. Okay, now we can click on this Purna database. This is the convert into Purna database. Okay, so in that we can see here, okay, there are number of commands are there. Okay, there are number of create, alter, drop, truncate, select, insert, update, delete. Okay, and commit, rollback, grant. But in a manual, as a manual tester, we can use the only select command. Okay, so 90% manual testers are used this. This is used to retrieving the data. Okay, this is used, select command is used to retrieve the data or get the data from table. Okay, so see here, before going to interact with database, take a permission to the seniors or developers. Okay, so what is the developer? They are providing some instructions to you. Okay, after that, giving the permission to you, you can access the database. Otherwise, don't interact in the database. Okay, now create one database like this. And so first I can create sample database. After creating database, so see here, uh, first we can insert one table. Okay, so what is the table? We can see here some location table is there, or this is the name. Okay, control C. See here, we can create one table. Okay, table. Okay, use this here, create. Okay, table. So what is the table name? Location. Okay, see here, select this. Okay, and execute. See, it shows error, incorrect syntax location. Okay, first we can launch our browser. Select a star from database. What? Select star from Purna is the database. Okay, Purna is the database. Select the star from Purna. So see here and select this command and execute what it will be having. Okay, it shows error. So like wait. Tables expanding. The table system tables. There is no tables here actually, but it shows tables. Wait. Purna already created. So use this command. Wait, I can use Purna. So that's why. So see here, use USC use. Okay, see this, copy and execute. Okay, command run successfully. If you use the command, okay, if you use the so use is used for okay what so use is two hyphens. So if you mention two hyphens before use, so it shows like comments in SQL. Okay, this is line is not executed. Actually, use is used for database table is created inside the database. So now we can create one table. So what is the table? CREATE table create. Okay, table. I can use location table here. Okay, now I can create this table and execute here. Okay, it shows error again here. Completion successfully. Wait one. So I can create one new database. Please wait. Then go for master. Wait. Okay. So I can create database. Okay. Create database Purna one. See here it is running successful or not. You can see here. Okay. Select and execute. Okay. Purna one database is created. And after that, create table location. Okay. Create table location. See here. It is execute. It shows error. Why? Actually, in that table we can create so one location ID LOCATION location. Wait, I can give like go for this one. So location ID control C. See here. In that we can give location ID. So it is like integer data type. Okay. This is like integer data type IND. Okay. And comma. It returns what integer value. Next regional group. So regional group here. See here. Regional group is there. Control C. It is what returns character or varchar. Okay. So now control V. Okay. It returns varchar. VARCHAR. Varchar of 20. Okay. So I can close this data. Okay. I can close this table and select all these three. Okay. Select all these three columns. And now we can execute here. Okay. So again, it shows what error. So wait. Here's something error. Incorrect syntax symbol. So see, remove this. Okay. Okay, we can expecting as these braces. Okay. So wait, something. So it shows error within braces. That's why it shows errors like this. Okay, see here. Okay. Now no issues found here. Okay. Now we can copy this and execute here. Okay. So command completed successfully. Okay. Now, now what? I can see my location table. Okay. See here. Select star from. Wait. CLEC2 select star from. Okay, select star from what? Location. I'll go CATION location. Okay, no issues found. So I can see this, copy this, I'll select this and execute this. Okay, so location and regional group ID will be displayed here. Okay, occasional and regional group ID will be displayed here. So after that, we can insert the data into that. Okay. So if you're creating database, there are two types of authentications here. So first one is Windows authentication and next one is SQL Server authentication. Okay. So if you go for Windows, what is the SQL commands here? DDL, okay, DDL, DML, TCL, and DCL. These four are SQL commands. Oh, what are they? See here, DDL and DML, TCL, and DCL. These four are the SQL commands. Now we can create. Okay, database also created. So now we can insert into the values. Okay, so how we can insert into the values? So see here, these are the data. Okay, these are the values. So insert into location, I can insert these values. Okay, so see, I can insert how I can insert in that values. Okay, insert into. Okay, insert into values. Sorry, insert into location. So where you can insert location, I can insert values. Okay, first one is what? Location ID. Okay, see this location ID. These are the column name. Okay, so first column name is location ID, comma. Okay, so second column name is regional group. Okay, I can copy this and paste it here. Okay, regional group and paste it here, and after we can pass the values. Okay, so values what? 122, comma. Okay, single value I can pass New York. New York. I can pass this here. See, I can select this and execute one. Okay, one row will be affected. Okay, one row will be affected here. So I can again we can see the location. Select the start from location and execute. See here, 122 will be updated or not. Okay, same if you write first time, you can write the column names. Okay, after that you can't write any column names. Okay, you don't write any column names. You can use the directly insert into location values. Okay, from the first time data insert with column names. From the second time onwards, column names are not required. Okay, so I can insert into location. Control C copy. See here, and values are what? See this. Okay, Control C here, and I can paste it here. So 122 already, 123 New York. So next is next one what? Dallas, DALLAS. Okay, and I can copy this. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so 123, 124. Okay, 125, 126. So here we can write Dallas in place of Dallas. We can write Chicago. So after that, Chicago, you get replace it. Okay, replace of instead of Dallas, we can write Boston. Okay, here we can write like we can write our country name India. Okay, see here, I can run these four rows. Okay, copy this one and execute. Okay, four rows will be affected. See here, four rows will be affected. Now we can see select a star from location. Okay, select a star from location and execute. So if you execute like this, so location contains how many, okay, how many columns? So first one, New York column, Dallas column, Chicago column, Boston, India. So five names are displayed or not? Okay, five names will be displayed here. Okay, the output is like this. So if you contains like another, okay, another one is database is department. Okay, and department also some other database. See here, TempDB, Porna is one database. Any tables are there? No. Porna one contains the tables. Okay. So see here, I will go for another database. We are in actually Porna one. Okay. If you go for Porna, execute what? shows nothing. Okay. 0 rows affected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Porn already exists. Choose a different database name. Okay, I can create another database. So create. So if you use Porna database, so use PURNL. If you write like this, okay, if you write like this, shows what? Execute. Okay, command run successfully. Now I can I can create one table for, okay, I can create one table for Porna database. See here, Control C. For where? Porna database I can create. So create table name is what? Department. Department. So one create table department. So in that department, we can see department ID. Wait. DPA, sorry, DEPARTMENT department ID. And after that, we can write name. Okay. Name is another one. Okay. Name is also shows like this. So name is contains what? Character like a string also. So wait. I can see here. If you write name, okay, and location ID. There are three is available. So name is a string or varchar, char or varchar. Now I can write like this. Uh, Name one. Okay. So see this is varchar. And next one is what? Okay, department table. Next one is location ID. Okay. Location ID is also contains what? Integer. Okay. So I can write like this location ID. This is the integer. Okay. So what it shows, already previously location ID will be used. Okay, enter some location ID one. See here, ID. Then location one ID also displayed, but it is shows error. So why can't understand? Sorry, comma is not used here. That's why it shows error. Okay. So I can run this. Okay, I can run this. Select this and execute. Okay, command completed successfully. Now I can select star from. See here, write this. Select star from where? Porna is the database name. So that's why I can select Porna. So copy this and execute. So here it shows something error. So location is Porna. Actually, we use here we can use Porna. Invalid object name Porna. See this, I can use this database. Shows error, invalid object name. So where this table will be created. So I can write, please wait, Porna one we can write. So wait. I can execute this. So it execute also wrong. If you go for Porna table one, if you execute this, wait. Something shows it's error. Sorry, error. I can run the department name. Actually, table is what? Department unit. Okay. This is the correct option. So see this. Database has not executed. We can run department. So wait, actually we are in Porna one. Now we go for Porna. And after that Porna, we can execute this department. Okay. Okay. Department ID contains what? So see here, Porna one contains what? Here you can run this. No, it shows error. Why? The department name is Purna1. If you run this, it shows something. Okay, use if you hyphen this, otherwise it will show displays error. Okay, so I can create Purna in the wait, executed. Okay, and after executed, we can install. We can here insert some rows, department ID, name, location. Okay, insert into values here. Okay, see here, insert into what? See here, insert into what is this? This is the department. Okay, insert into department. Okay, the location is okay. Location is table name. In that location, he see here your okay. Our name is department here. So copy this department ID, paste it here. So it returns what? Nothing. The comma. So name one. So wait. The name one. Control C. Control V. Again comma. Okay, I can use location ID. Control C. Control V. Comma. Okay, I can close this. Values. Okay. See here values. Previously one values what? I can write. See here. Here. 10 accounting and 22. Okay. See this. Control C and paste it here. Okay, I can remove the spaces. Okay. After that, see this. Shows any error. So accounting it shows error. Why means single quotes are required mandatory. So if you require single quotes, okay. So now copy this and execute. Okay, one row affected. Now select the department. See here. So you can select the department. Okay, it returns what? Same like you can insert into values into the department table. Okay, I can paste it here. 3. Okay, and next one 4. See here, first time we can mention the row columns. Second time onwards, we can't mention here. I can remove the columns and go with values. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40. Research, sales, operations. Research, sales, operations. See here. Research. Okay. Sales, and here operations. Okay. So after that, see here 124, 3, 167. So I can write like number wise 123, 124. Actually, see here it is user 125. Okay. So I can run all these. It is will be affected or not. Okay. See here, execute. Okay. So after the execution, you can run the department. Okay. So department contains these values. Okay. Department table and the location table both will be created. So now, okay, now I can create some employee table. Okay, now I can create one employee table. See this PREA, PREA, create table. What employee? See here. See this. Create table department. We can already finish this. Can create one employee table. This is the employee table. Okay. Create table department finisher. Create table. Next, we can create one employee table. Okay. Same like this. We can copy this. Okay. I can remove here table name. Create. Control V. Okay. I can run this. It is working or not. Execute. Okay, command created successfully. Now I can see how the table. Okay, select star from. You write this command. So employee table will be displayed. Employee. Okay. See here, I can run this. Execute. Okay. So column names are what? Employee ID, last name, field name, middle name, job, manager ID, salary, comma, okay, commission and department ID. See like here, we can insert the data into values. Okay. I can insert all these values, copy it and paste it here. Okay. See and paste it here. I can erase the scope, show something big here. Okay. So now I can insert all these values. See there. Execute. Okay. All rows will be affected or not. Okay. It rows will be affected. Now I can see the employee table. See here. See this. Okay. Employee table will be displayed correctly. Okay. First time we mention all the column names. So second time onwards, second value onwards, we can't mention any column values. Directly we can insert the values here. Okay. So see here there are number of questions are there. So list of all employees. I can say I can copy all these. Okay. I can copy all these. See here. I can paste it here. So if you mention like hyphen, double hyphen, so it returns what? Two hyphens are comments in SQL. Okay. It don't shows any error. So two hyphens are mandatory. Okay. Two hyphens, two hyphens, two hyphens. Okay. Here also. Okay. See here. It shows nothing error. So first we can perform one by one action. So list of all employee details. Okay. List of all the employee details. How we can see list of all employee details. Okay. Star means all. So that's why I can copy this command. Copy query and paste it here. This query. Okay. So see here. You can see the list of all employee details or not. Okay. And execute this. The table will be displayed here. Okay. All employees details are displayed. Now list of all department details. Okay. List of all department details. So see here. So select a star from department. It contains what? All department details. Okay. So control C and paste it here. Okay. See here. Select this one and execute. Okay. Department table will be displayed or not? All okay. Department details. Next what? So select the job details. See here. So select the job, list all job details. So list all job details means control C and control V. I can write where the job details are in the job folder. Okay. So I can run this. See here. Execute. It shows what? Error. Okay. Invalid object name. Why means I can't. Okay. I cannot create any job table. So that's why it shows here error. Okay. That's why it shows here error. Okay. Are you understood? If you create job table, it shows to you. Okay. Otherwise, it shows error. Okay. Actually, our database, there is no job table. That's why it shows invalid object name job. Okay. After that, list out our first name or last name from all employee tables. See here. So list of all the locations. Okay. List of all the locations what? So select your table location. See here. Actually, I can copy this. Sorry. Select a star from location here. It is run what? Error. Y means that is the location table will be displayed in another database. Okay. You see here, it shows contains errors. I think. No. Location table also displayed. Okay. We don't have any problem. So next what? List out the first name and last name and salary from all employees. So see here. So how? So you can write first employee ID. Okay. I can run this. Execute. Okay. Here see. What is our list out our first name, last name, and salary and commission. First name, so last name, okay, and salary and commission. Okay, these four values will be displayed. See here. Okay, so we can write the code here. Select SELECT select. So first what? First name. Okay, first name. What is the first name? This one. Copy. Okay, I can write like sorry, control Z actually. First name, okay, last name. See here, first name, last name, copy this, control C. Okay, same, you can write whatever is like one order. Okay, otherwise it shows error. So first name, last name. So next one what? Okay, salary. Salary means small letters. So SALAR salary. So next one what? Commission. Okay. C capital COMM. Commission. Commission from where? From employee table. Okay. That's what EMPLOY employee table. See this. Okay. I can run this. The four. Okay. First name, last name, salary, commission will be displayed or not. Now execute it. See here. So from employee table. So first name, last name, salary, and the commission will be displayed. Okay. And next one, sixth one. So list out the employee ID. Okay. Last name and department ID for all employees. Rename the employee ID as ID employee. Okay. See here. Actually, I can use quotations here. See this. Uh, Employee ID converted into ID of the employee, and last name converted into name of the employee, and department ID is converted into rename to department ID as department ID. Okay. See here how we can write the code. Okay. Select employee. Okay. Select employee ID. See here. Here employee ID displays like this. So copy this one, employee ID, control C, and paste it here. Okay. Paste it here. So next what? Employee ID contains how to write. So ID of the employee, we can write this. So that's why copy this one, control C, some space, give some space, comma, some space, or last name. Okay. Last name. I can copy this. So paste it here. Okay, some space. So last name convert. Okay, last name rename to name of the employee. Okay, control C, control V, comma. Okay, last name comma. Next department ID. See here, department ID. Here one department ID is there or not? Department ID. I can copy this department ID and paste it. Sorry, give some space and paste it here. Okay, after pasting this, department ID convert into what? Okay, department capital ID. So that's why I can copy this, control C, where control V. See this? Okay, converted from where? Employee. That's why I can write this from EMPLOYEE. Okay, so error will be rectified. Now save this, okay, and copy this one and execute. See here, ID of the name, okay. See here, first one what? Employee ID, change it to ID of the employee. See here, ID of the employee. So next, last name will be changed to name of the employee. Okay. Next, department ID, change it to department capital ID. Okay. See here, changed or not? Okay. change it. So same write like this program, this code into another same write like another one. See here, we can write as here as. So if you mention as, it is working or not. Okay. Employee ID as, ID of the last name as, okay, and the department ID as. Okay, department ID as. See here, it is running or not. Now we can select and execute. It is running or not. Okay. So copy this one and execute. See here, it is running. Okay. It is also running. Okay. This is one method. This is another method. So next we can use the where conditions. So these are the where conditions. There are 10 types of where conditions is available here. And I can copy these where conditions. See here, I can write here. Okay, where conditions. So how it will works, now we can check here. Okay, now you can see one by one where conditions. See here. So first one, list all details about Smith. Okay, we can take the select a star from employee. Okay, so first we can see what employee details, control C. Okay, I can paste it here, where conditions actually. So mention this in comments, otherwise it takes actual program. See here, if you mention all these one into hyphens, sorry, double control Z. See here, second one, two hyphens means comments in SQL. Okay, that's why. Sorry, don't mention three comments, just two. Okay, I can mention all in the comments. So first one, what? Select a star from employee, displays all employee details. Okay, now we can execute. See here, all employee details. So first one, list the detailed tables only Smith. Okay, now I can write this select a chart for employee where. So where condition says, so employee Smith is what? Last name. So that's why we can write here last name. Okay, wait, last name. Control C. Last name is what? Smith. Okay, so single quotes you can write sorry, SMITH. See this. Is working or not? Okay, execute. See here, only Smith table will be displayed. Actually, why means employee table contains three types or three Smiths are there. Okay, so now I can convert. I can only alien data. Okay, alien data. So now change the name to alien. Okay, it displays alien with or not. Okay, alien. Now I can run this. Execute. Okay, alien will be displayed or not. Okay. Next, list out all employees who are working in the department number 20. See here, I can execute this 20, department number 21. Okay, only one field is there. So we can write the code here. Select a star from employee where common here where what? Department ID 20. See here. Department ID. ID what? 20. Department ID 20. So run the code. It is working or not. Okay. See here. Select this one and execute. See, department 20 will be displayed. Okay. What is the name? Smith. Okay. First name John Smith. And the last name Smith. Okay. So next third one. List out the employees who are working in the department 10 or 20. Okay. List out 10 or 20. See here. First one I can select this employee details. See here 10 or 20. How many members? So we can see where class. I can paste it here. Okay. So department ID contains 10 or 20. So department ID, I can copy this, paste it here. in departments. Okay, that's why I can write in statement 10 comma 20. See here, you can write this and execute. It displays only 20. So what is the problem in 10? Actually, okay, actually you can employee, see here, 10 will not be there in the department ID. Okay, 10 will have not in the department ID. So if you write 30 here, okay, if you write 30 here, okay, it will be displayed or not. Now we can check this. Okay, and after that we can execute it. See here, 20 30s will be displayed or not. Okay, so now go for fourth one. So list out the employees who are not working in the department. See here, I can same write like this, department 10 and 20, but not. Okay, see here, here there is the command what not. Okay, so not in the department 10 or 20. See here, I can execute. Okay, so 10 20 will not be displayed, remaining all. Okay, all the elements will be displayed here. Okay, all the queries, like all the columns are displayed now. So next one, what is, see here, so list out the employees who are earning salary between 3000 to 4500. Okay, between these. So between means you can use between command. Okay, see here, copy this one, control C, paste it here. Okay, where what? Wherein means salary. Salary between 3000. Okay, in between 3000 to 4500 will be displayed or not, and 4500. See here, I can run this. So actually, first of all, we can see the employee. See here, okay, star, select the star from employee. You can run it and execute. See here, 3000 to 4500 salary. Okay, there is in between 3000 to 400 500. There is no one employee. Okay, so it is running what we can see. See here, no employees will be displayed. Why means in between 3000 to 4500, there is no employees. So that's why it shows null. Okay, empty. So next one, what? See this. So list out the employees. Okay, you can list out the employees. Start with name what? S. Okay. So last name is S or not. See here. Select a star from employee. I can say, I can copy this same, control C, control V. Okay, where last name, see here, last name starts with S. Okay, I can copy this, control C and paste it here. Okay, last name, like, you can use the command here, like. Okay, like what? S. And write percentage here. See this, it is running or not. Now we can see it. Execute this one. Okay, Smith. Smith will be displayed or not. Okay, same like, see here, list out the employees whose name start with S and end with H. Okay, end with H what? Smith. Okay, that's why we can copy this, and with what? H is running, run this. Okay, and execute. Displayed or not. Okay, so same like next one, list out the employees whose name length is 4 and starting with S. Okay, length is 4 and starting with S. So length means we can give space, like we can say copy this code and paste it here. Same like, okay. Here we can where last like contains what, we can give space. I can give space. Sorry. Okay. See, it running. It gives output or not. That's execute. Okay. No. So actually Smith contains what? 4 length field. Okay. That's why I can give 4 length field. Okay. So if you sum my DH, okay, running or not. See here, if your length is 4, if you give length is 4 here, so Smith fields will be displayed lengths. Okay. So next, list out the employees who are working in the department 10 and draw the salaries more than 3500. Here we can use greater than actual. Okay. I can write the code department where department ID. See here, department ID, select this one. Okay, paste it here. So where in department ID what? Okay, if you write department ID is 10. Okay, and salary what? Greater than 3,500. Okay, more than 3,500. That's why you can see here. Select and execute. It will display nothing. Why means 10 is not there in department head. That's why we can write 30. Okay, now you can select this and execute. See here, something will be wrong here. Department ID 30. Sorry, you can write 20. Displayed or not, you can see here. Execute. It shows something error here. Okay, select a star from employee where department ID contains what? 20 and salary space. If you give like this 3,500, so sorry, if you write like here 1,000 rupees, okay, 3,500 not available in the data, that's why it shows like this 1,000. Okay, if you write 1,000, so it displays or not, we can check this way. Execute. Okay, department ID not greater than 3,000 also not displayed. So first of all, select the employee. Please, you can run this. Salary, so greater than 1,000. Okay, so if you write null, so okay, if you write null, what will be the displayed or not? Now you can check this. Control C, actually, Control V. Where commerce commission COMM commission is null. Now it displays what? Sales. We run this. Okay, null. Okay, null commission will be displayed. Actual null commission will be displayed here. So same like salary is greater than 3,000. It is working or not? Now we can see. Salary spelling SALRA, salary greater than. So actual department ID 20 contains. See here. Wait. I can write employee. Okay, and execute. So employee data will be C. Okay, match it. And greater than 800 means it returns what you can see. Okay, 20. And select this one. It. Okay, it returns something. There is error in that one. Why means greater than 20 means here we can see 10 is not there. 30. See here, it is working. See here, actually 30 department ID contains greater than 800 or not. See here, all the values salaries are greater than 800. That's why it will be displayed the salary table with the department ID 30. So see here, if you write 1600, okay, if you write 1600 here, it displays what? Actually, if you write 1600, only three rows will be displayed. See this, it is working or not? Okay, execute. Okay, actually two rows. Okay, two rows. Actually, two rows contains greater than 1600. Okay, if you write 1500, okay, if you write 1500, what it will be displayed? See here, if you write like this, okay, see, okay, 1500 greater than 1500 means 330 department IDs with the salary greater than 1500 will be displayed. Okay, so this is the database creation tables. We can discuss remaining topics in another session. Okay.